often come across a house that actually has a porch, and I don't think I've ever come across a house that actually has a ramp to make it convenient going up the ground floor, which is just a few steps up, by the way. So if this is exactly the kind of house that you've been looking for, well, this one's in Parañaque, and I can't wait to show you around. Today we've got a brand new house and lot for sale here in Parañaque. So you have a very modern contemporary aesthetic right here. You have your manual gate, your automated gate here on the left, which fits 3 vehicles. We'll get to that in a bit. And then you have your pedestrian gate here in the middle, and then a solid wall with a few slats there here on the right side. Okay, so as you enter, you can see that you have a patio, or a porch rather, before entering your main entrance. So you have 3 steps going up or a ramp that wraps around the right side. You also have a garden here on this side, and then on the other, again, as I mentioned, you can fit 3 vehicles here, dalawa magkatabi and then 1 over here. And then you have a few steps up leading to the staff quarters, as well as some maintenance and storage cubbies over there, which you'll probably see in the B-rolls here somewhere. Okay, so let's head up the porch and up the main entrance. So you have here a very nice solid wooden door with glass panels on either side. Actually, ito corner window siya. So basically, puro bintana na, no? You can tell that there's going to be lots of natural light inside. And then once you enter your foyer, you have here fluted panels, excuse me. And apparently, here we go. It is a powder room. So you have here your toilet and your sink. So obviously, again, very brand new. You still have some construction dust and tape going on. But yeah, I love that this is here. Very easy for your guests, as well as if you were to leave the door, like last minute touch-ups, it's just right here. And then everything else is pretty much open space, horizontally and vertically. You have very high ceiling up here for your living area. Yeah, so you have outlets on either side, so it's up to you where you want to place your TV. And then you have lots of windows up here to let in natural light, as well as a door so that you can go out to the side of your property. Currently, very bare pa siya, no? So imagine nyo na lang pag puro halaman na yan, which you are going to plant yourself. So you have your living here, your dining over here with a lower ceiling, but don't be fooled, it's still high ceiling. It's just relatively low ceiling. You have pin lights all around, and then a bang in the middle for your main lighting above your dining table. Then over here you have your kitchen. You have lots of counter space for your kitchen. You have a U-shaped counter with a bar, floating shelves up here and over there, huge sink right in front of the window, and then your stove, your gas stove, right here under your hood. You have lots of storage on this side as well, and then provision for your refrigerator. And then from here, we have a door that goes out to the side of the house, which we saw earlier. And then right next to that is the staff quarters with an ensuite toilet and bath. So let's go back in. So nagmamatch naman yung loob tsaka yung labas. It's all just white. Then here by your main stairs, you have one of the bedrooms. So you have here this much space. You still do have high ceiling, big downlights or pin lights, and then a built-in closet on that side of the room. Puro abang na rin and outlets. Then you have an ensuite toilet and bath with a toilet, a sink, and an enclosed shower space. So this room is perfect as an elderly room, perhaps, or someone who may have trouble going up and down the stairs, especially since, if you remember, going to the main entrance, you do have a ramp. So for anyone who's differently abled, this room is particularly accessible. Okay, so as we head up the second floor, make sure you hit like, click subscribe, and click on the bell so you get notified for whenever we release new YouTube videos. We're on Facebook, so make sure you hit like and see first, and follow us on Instagram at Presello_official. If you want to see more about this particular listing or our other listings here in Parañaque, check out this QR or go to our website at www.presello.com. Invest in your future. Invest with us. Invest with Presello. Mind you, hindi ko alam kung saan ako tumuturo for the QR, but it's there. So your stairwell has really high ceilings, may abang na rin for a chandelier, and then you have windows here that you can open up, tas meron na rin siyang kasamang screen. Okay, so second floor landing, and you have a lot of space. So this is basically your family area, but we'll check that out later. Ito muna yung tignan natin. Far end of this hall, we have bedroom number 2. Okay, again, may abang na rin for your main light, but essentially a big square room. It's up to you how you want to do the layout. You have your outlets on all of the walls, but then on this side you have the built-in wardrobe, as well as the door leading to your ensuite, toilet and bath with your sink, your toilet, and your enclosed shower space. May abang na rin for a heater, I love that. Tapos yung glass niya is the door swing type. Okay. Right next to this one, we have bedroom number 3. Almost the same layout, but not quite. So it is still a little different. You have your built-in wardrobe over there, and then you can configure the room however you want. Then you have your ensuite toilet bath right here. So ito iba na yung layout compared to the other one. So you have your sink, your toilet, and then your enclosed shower space with a big awning window right there at the end. Okay, so now this is the family area. So this is where you might want to put your TV, your console, etc., where you might want to hang out and play. You can see people hanging out in the dining area as well as the living area, and they can probably hear you without being able to see you. So perfect for when you have guests over downstairs and maybe some of the family members don't really want to mingle. They can stay up here. And then this is bedroom number 4. Okay, so you have an anteroom. Tama ba? 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 4. So you have an anteroom right here. And you can use it as an office before actually reaching the bed area of these windows. This is at the front of the property, by the way, and that explains why your windows are more of clerestory windows or higher up. It's for the privacy. Then you have corner windows. This is where your king-size bed can go. Yeah, kasha yung king-size dito. Or queen if you want more space for your end tables. And that is for your entertainment wall. However, this looks familiar. It seems like, I got it right the first time. There's a door. Oh, leading to your ensuite toilet and bath. So you have his and her sinks, a toilet, an enclosed shower space. You have natural light coming in from the awning window up there, which also means natural ventilation. And then on this side, you have a walk-in closet. So open shelving, so you can see the hanging rods, the shelves, and then drawers here next to your vanity, and then lots of storage up top. Then you have a window, a clerestory window here to let in some of that natural light. Oh, that's a nice touch. I want to see this again when it's closed. Oh, that's nice. So you don't even see the termination, ganda. So your TV is gonna go somewhere here. Okay, time for a recap, but before that, make sure you check out these really nice B-rolls. 270 square meters of lot area and then 398 square meters of floor area split between 2 levels. You have 4 bedrooms, 5 toilet and baths, and then 1 powder room right by the entrance. You have a 3-vehicle carport with an automated gate. You have staff quarters, and probably my favorite feature about this house is the fact that it is differently abled capable. So you have a ramp by the main entrance, and you have a bedroom right here on the ground floor. So if anyone were to need it, it's conveniently right there. And if you don't need it, it's still nice to have it and not need it, right? And then you have access all around the house. You have a service area out there by the side. You have a huge kitchen with lots of space, a bar, and then lots of areas for your family to hang out in. So your dining, your living, as well as the family room upstairs that overlooks the living area. So if this is the kind of house that you've been looking for, and maybe you were looking for one specifically here in Parañaque, then this is perfect for you. Check out the QR here for more details, but if you want to see more of our listings here, make sure you head over to our website at www.presello.com. Invest in your future. Invest with us. Invest with Presello. If you want to see more house tours, make sure you click here. And if you want to see more of our Build Your Owns or BYOs, click here. And if you want to see more of our other content, click right here. Also, if you haven't subscribed, okay?